Hello, this is Mr. Allen, and I'd like to give you an update for week 5. In Calc AB, we are wrapping up our Unit 1, which is on limits. We have our second quiz this week, and next week we'll have our first big AP style test. I've spent a lot of time here lately reviewing with students, giving them lots of extra practice problems, trying to meet with them individually and answer questions that they might have. In Calc BC, we are wrapping up Unit 2, which is on derivatives. They actually will have their exam on derivatives tomorrow. And then next week, we'll move on to the next unit, which is on applications of derivatives. For example, locating relative mins and maxes. In Geometry CP, we just had our first chapter test, which was on the basics of geometry. And now we are moving into Chapter 2, which is on deductive reasoning and proof. Some final thoughts. I just again like to encourage you to follow your son or daughter on Canvas. You can see kind of what's going on in their various classes. And I guess for my class, I try to get ahead of things, but I try to make each week's module give a student a good idea of what to expect that week and in future weeks. Plus, I post things like videos and notes, etc., homework. The end of the grading period is September 30th, and I know that's several weeks away, but it will be here sooner than later. And so I would also encourage you to making sure that you are, I guess not making sure, but it's maybe a good idea for you to check their grades, particularly if you have a son or daughter that maybe isn't always on top of getting things done and things like this. We can try to nip that in the bud in advance. So Skyward is the application we use for our grades here at Perry Township. So thank you so much for your time and enjoy your day.